Welcome back, YouTube enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of finance, and we're shining the spotlight on one of the giants in the game, the Clorox Company. But hold on to your seats because we're not just throwing numbers at you, we're breaking it down with flair. Alright, let's dive into the financial seas of Clorox, shall we? Think of this like the heartbeat of a company's stock. Clorox's PRTTM of 26.86 and an average of 28.60 over the last 5 years tell us how much investors are willing to shell out for each dollar of Clorox's earnings in the past year. And with a forward PE of 24.25, Clorox is showing it's not just about the past, it's got its eyes set on a bright future. Clorox's PG ratio of 2.24 is like the roadmap to growth potential. It may suggest that Clorox's stock price doesn't fully reflect its potential for growth, but hey, sometimes the best investments are the ones you believe in for the long haul. Ever wondered who's got skin in the game? Clorox insiders own a modest 0.21% of the company. While they may not be the biggest players, they're definitely on board the Clorox train. Let's continue with the returns. Clorox has got it in spades. With a return of equity of 42.78% and return of assets at 1.34% indicate how efficiently Clorox uses its shareholders' equity and company assets to generate earnings. Additionally, boasts a robust return of investment capital at 24.29%. Clorox is showing it knows how to make every dollar count. Continuing with the earnings per share, Clorox's EPS of 5.83 is just the beginning of the story. With a projected growth rate of 12.01% over the next 5 years, Clorox is like a rocket ship ready to blast off into the financial stratosphere. It's been a wild ride, folks. Clorox's EPS has seen its ups and downs, but with a compound annual growth rate of 1.63%, Clorox is proving it's here for the long haul. Cash is king, and Clorox is sitting pretty. With a compound annual growth rate of 4.97% in free cash flow per share over the last decade, Clorox is showing it knows how to keep the cash flowing. Someone worried about dividends? Clorox has got you covered with a dividend yield of 3.08% and a tasty 5.61% dividend growth over the last 10 years. It's like getting paid to believe in a cleaner, brighter future. And with 46 consecutive years of increasing their dividends, Clorox is close to be a dividend king. Margins matter, and Clorox knows it. With an operating margin of 12.67% and a profit margin of 1.09%, Clorox is showing it's not just about cleaning up messes. It's about making bank while doing it. It's been a journey, folks. Clorox's revenue and earnings have seen their fair share of ups and downs. But with a positive trajectory over the last 8 years, Clorox is showing it's here to stay. But wait, because since 2021 Clorox trajectory has remained flat. This situation has been reflected in the Clorox Company's market price, since it has obtained a lower total return than VO during the last 5 years. What about the debt? Clorox's debt-to-equity ratio of 59.04 and long-term debt-to-equity ratio of 52.64 may seem somewhat high, but when we compare it with its EBITDA, we would be talking about 2 times EBITDA, suggesting good financial health and excellent debt management. With an average price return of 3.52% over the last 52 weeks and a market cap of $19.49 billion, Clorox is showing it's not just a household name. It's a force to be reckoned with in the market. So, what's the verdict? Well, analysts may be forecasting $156.21, which represents a slight downside of 0.2% in the next 12 months. But I'm setting sail for a fair value of $151.57. With the current price sailing close to that, it's time to batten down the hatches and watch out for potential fair valuation. And there you have it, folks. Clorox, where clean meets green and financial savvy meets success. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing.